Scientists conducted an interesting experiment. They divided the people into 3 groups, A, B, and C. Participants in each group throw a ball into a basketball basket. After each participant made 3 throws, the researchers compared the results of all groups. They were almost equal, and then the scientists gave the participants different instructions. They told Group A, for the next 30 days, you should train for an hour a day, go to the court and practice your basket shots. They told Group B, you will not train on the court, you will train without touching the ball, train only in your head. Imagine, visualize how you hit the ball in the basket every time. They told Group C, you don't have to train at all, don't even think about basketball for the next 30 days. You must mind your own business. 30 days later, they compared their results, and this time they were shocked. Group A, who trained every day, improved their performance by 25%, and this is understandable because practice leads to progress. Group C, which didn't train or even think about basketball, didn't make any progress. No practice, no progress. But there was a real breakthrough in Group B. People who didn't train with the ball but only trained in the head improved their results by 23%, which is only 1% less than people who trained with the ball in the court every day. Your mind has incredible power. Find information about an athletes like Roger Bannister who visualized their progress. Nowadays, there are many athletes who train not only physically but also mentally represent the achieved result. And I want you to start practicing the art of visualization too. I want you to imagine your perfect day without any restrictions from the moment you wake up to going to bed, because if you can imagine something, you can realize it. What you clearly imagine, you bring to life. The problem with people is that they don't use visualization correctly. As a result, they don't get what they want. They visualize all the things that can go wrong, everything that they are afraid of, and the more they focus on it, the more their mind attracts these negative situations. For example, failure the exam. All troubles start in the head. When you create your perfect day, when you play it over and over in your head, then all your thoughts are focused on the implementation of your plans. Your feelings are the language of your body, and your thoughts are the language of your mind. Don't limit yourself. Imagine your perfect day, your success. I want you to visualize your success, see it, feel it, and believe in it. Then we worked every day to turn our thoughts into reality.